printing an image of the Jack Daniel's whiskey bottle. My son has been known to have a little bit of that. So put that on there with the image facing down. And then press it for 10 to 15 seconds. I have this set to 300 degrees. This is a hot peel where we take this off. So grab it from the top, take it down slowly. This is a silhouette image, remember? And you have to mirror it. All right, that came out beautifully. And I set my image when I printed it. When I looked it up in Google, I chose an image that was 4MP. You want it large. So it gives you those real defined lines. All right. And next, we're going to lay the foil on shiny side up. This is important. So not the dull side like that. Shiny side up. Because I've been known to put it on the wrong way and then all the black comes off. So don't do what I've done, do as I say. We're going to cover this with a release paper. And we're going to press this for 10 seconds. And then we're going to cold peel it. I always loved my son in yellow. I just like yellow. It's a happy, happy color. All right, we are going to cold peel, and you probably can't see from up there, but the image is already coming through, and I have a cooling block that I'm going to cool this thing down with. This is how fast this NoWeed vinyl is. NoWeed foil. It's so much fun. I mean, literally, the thing that takes the longest time is figuring out what you're going to put on the shirt or the garment, right? Okay, that's cool enough to touch. And then we're just gonna peel it right down. Jack Daniel's. Now look, here's an example, and I want to show you all my mistakes so you won't make them. I didn't cover the whole image in foil. So if you don't cover the whole image, it's going to be black. But that was my fault. And maybe it might have been hanging off the bottom of the heat press. But he's my son. He won't care. That's what I love about him. Bye, guys.
Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and remember to hit the little bell button so you'll be notified of each new tutorial. Thanks, everyone.